Finding a reliable supplier in China can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. At Osports, we've systemized it into a proven 5-step process. Step 1. Collaborative deep dive. We actively communicate with you through calls, chats, and forums to fully understand your vision, then translate it into a detailed, actionable sourcing plan. Step 2. Vetted shortlist. We dig deep into our network and conduct audits to present you with only pre-qualified, reliable partners. Step 3. Negotiation and sample. We leverage our scale for the best terms and manage the sampling until you get the perfect match. Step 4. Proactive oversight. We don't wait. We monitor production milestones and conduct random checks to keep everything on track. Step 5. Final guard. We perform rigorous pre-shipment inspections and handle all logistics paperwork, delivering peace of mind. This is the Osports 5-step procurement system, from collaborative planning to delivered assurance. Transparent, reliable, and designed to be your strategic advantage. Let's source with confidence. We are Osports, your bridge to China. Contact us today.